Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT's network server error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Then, turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. Then restart your device and try using ChatGPT again. This fixes temporary network issues. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off because it can sometimes cause network errors. And also check your firewall or network settings if you're on a restricted network like office or school Wi-Fi. If the issue still continues, try again later because it may be a temporary server problem. That's how you fix the ChatGPT network error. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.